In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a CSV file with transactions into Xero. If you've downloaded transaction data from your bank and need to bring it into Xero, this walkthrough will take you from file selection to a completed import. This is especially helpful when a bank feed isn't available or you're backfilling older statement lines. Before you begin, make sure you know which Xero bank account these transactions belong to and that your CSV is cleanly formatted with one row per transaction. Start in Xero by opening the bank account you want to update. On the account page, choose Import Bank Statement. This tells Xero you're about to upload statement lines for that specific account, so double check you've picked the right one if you manage multiple accounts. Next, choose Select File and locate your CSV on your computer. Xero supports common statement formats, and we're using CSV here. A few quick tips can prevent headaches later. Keep only one header row, make sure dates are consistent throughout the file, and avoid symbols in number fields. Amounts should be plain numbers with decimals only. If your CSV shows separate debit and credit columns, leave amounts as positive values in each column. If it has a single amount column, expenses should be negative and income positive. Click. Next, to move into the mapping screen. This is where you tell Xero which column in your CSV represents each field. Map date to your date column, amount to a single amount column, or choose debit and credit if your file separates them. Then map description or payee to the column that best explains the transaction, and reference if you have an extra identifier like a check or note. If you see a balance column in your file, don't map it. Xero needs only the transaction lines, not running balances. Take a moment to check that the preview dates and amounts look correct. If a date is flipped or an amount looks off, it's usually a mapping or sign issue. Click. Next, to review the summary. Xero will show how many lines are about to be imported and flag anything it can't read. If something doesn't look right, it's perfectly fine to cancel here, adjust the CSV, and start again. When everything looks good, click Complete Import. Your transactions will be added and will appear ready for reconciliation. From here, you can match them to existing bills or invoices, or create spend and receive money transactions as needed. For smoother future imports, keep your column headings and layout consistent, and save a copy of your original CSV as a backup.